Hi, this is just to show how I fitted the lights. You can see they're in the gap there, so you can see there. So all I've done is just popped it in the gap there. In the gap there. So you can see it's just clipped in between the plastic and the fabric there. I've started from this end and gone round. Just clipped it in, you see, clipped in there. In this piece here, if you've got the same one, popped it across there, around, down there, fed the cable down on the inside of here, coming out here, threaded it across, and the cable. Now usually I have it plugged into my Echo Flow 2. I've just put it in here for now so you can see the lights on, but usually I put my Echo Flow 2 here and I have it just plugged in to there or into a little external USB charger. I think I've got one. There's one up here. No, I haven't got one up here anymore.